Good morning to my dear children. So again I am standing in front of you with our first chapter. So last classes we were discussing about the continents. Yes or no? So today we are starting with the next continent, South America. South America. Don't be tensed and don't make any mistakes. So many points are there. You have to make a chart. You have to draw 3, 4, how many? 7 columns, and under that you can write some small points. So it will be easy for you to understand this 7 continents. Okay, so South America is the 4th largest continent. South America is the 4th largest continent, and the South America is connected to North America. This South America is connected to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. Isthmus of Panama, connected to North America by the Isthmus of Panama. And also the South America is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in east and west. Surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in east and west, and also east and north, and also Pacific Ocean in west. Atlantic Ocean, South America is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean in east and north, and Pacific Ocean in west. And this South America is the home to the world highest waterfall, Angel. Do you know about this Angel? Is this fall familiar for you? Yes. Okay, thank you. So this South America is the home to the world highest waterfall, Angel. And the last point here, and also the largest river in the terms of the volume of Amazon. And also we were saying about the Amazon, is it? That is in terms of volume of water, that is the Amazon. And the next point is that Amazon rainforest is in South America. Amazon rainforest is in South America. Ants, ANDS, ants, longest mountain range is in South America. So this Amazon rainforest is in South America, and also this ants mountain range is also in South America. So these are the important points about this continent, that is 4th largest continent, and it is connected to America by the Isthmus of Panama. Then it is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and north, and Pacific Ocean. Then we were saying about the Angel waterfall, is it? Then we were saying about Amazon, then Amazon rainforest, and also longest mountain range, ants. And next we are moving with the next continent, Antarctica. Next continent, Antarctica. Listen carefully. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent, and this Antarctica is covered with thick ice and snow. Antarctica is covered with thick ice and snow, and this Antarctica is the home to penguins and whales. Did you see penguins and whales in TV and all? Yes. This Antarctica is the home to this penguin and whales. And the next point, no permanent human habitation is here. No permanent human habitation is very difficult because of this cold climate. Due to cold climate, human habitation is not there. And the next point, 70% of fresh water. 70% of fresh water is this Antarctica's ice cap. Antarctica's ice cap. And this Antarctica is surrounded by Southern Ocean. Antarctica is surrounded by Southern Ocean. So my dear children, we were discussing about the continent South America, And the continent Antarctica. We were saying about Asia, Africa, North America, South America and Antarctica. And while we were saying about Antarctica, fifth largest continent covered with ice and snow, homes to penguins and whales. Then no human habitation due to the heavy cold. That's it. And in between, when we said about Africa, I forgot to say about 2 points. That is the the longest river Nile. The longest river Nile is in Africa. The longest river, the world longest river Nile is in Africa. And the next, the world's largest desert, hot desert, Sahara. The Sahara desert is also in Africa. Longest river Nile is also in Africa. And this continent is home for vegetation and wildlife. When we go through this continent, we can see vegetation and wildlife. So while I was taking that Africa, that continent, I forgot to say these points also. So my dear children, before winding, we were discussing about our chapter Earth, our home, and we were going through our continents and Asia, then Africa, North America, South America and Antarctica. 5 continents we finished. You have to go through all this and study well, and next class we will go with another point. So thank you. Have a nice day.